tired of time kicking it plays, and today going to be playing Black Ops Zombies Gameplay Solo Part 2, and I played a little bit, I swear. I only played like 10 minutes off game, and I got the Galil pack pushed it, and I got the ray gun and pack pushed that too. So yeah, I'm on round 13 now. So hope you guys enjoy this one. So right now it's just only like camping. I haven't got my 4 perks yet. So I'm thinking about getting like 4,000 going to... Oh yeah, and I also got Galvin knuckles. They're awesome. I love these guys. Okay, get that. Once I get 4,000, I will go to the... Oh shoot. Oh, actually, no, sweet. I will go to the speed corridor, open that up. Oh, I need to open that up. Okay, you guys can all follow me. The train, Congo train can follow me. And don't follow me into here though. Here we go. Speed call, here we go. Ah boy, there we go. Whoop. Whoop. Takes like 5 seconds to reload now. So let me just mow this train down real quick. What happened? What happened? Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. What should I do now? We got the ray gun, bad punch. Got this, that you can't open that in here. Whoa, whoa, what? Okay, that freaked out for a second. So I don't think we really need the pack punch machine anymore. Oh, I might actually buy the. I got 2 really good guns right now, but this one's on ammo. I'm gonna buy a what was I gonna say again? Oh yeah, I want to buy the Olympia off the wall over there, and let me quickly make this train. Shoot, nope. Oh shoot, no, no. Whoa, that was close one. The only thing that sucks in this map, we can't get PhD Flopper. Oh, I don't think the maximum amount is on there. Not yet. Ooh. 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 Juke space. Oh, shoot. We're just gonna see how long I can survive. Oh shoot. This is my second time on this map. Holy balls. Okay, that's a lot of zombies. It's probably not even a lot compared to the other rounds. What the heck? That was kind of a glitch. It reloaded twice, but we have speed cola, so it doesn't really matter. And we have double tap. Oh shoot! Whoa! Whoa! Dude! Oh shoot! Shoot! I really don't know what to do next. Can we buy stamina? Can we? Nope, you can't. I have a maximum amount of perks. Oh shoot. Double tap. Wait, which one did I get that I didn't have last time? Oh, we didn't have a speed cola last time. No, I like my perks. My perks are good. My perks are fine. Next couple of zombies down there. I don't think you can pack punch this twice, can you? No, you can't. Okay, well then, what should I do? Let me see, I bought it there. Wait. Cola. Can't buy any more perks. I don't know why I'm talking perks. No, it's 2 punches now. It used to be up to around like 21. No, they changed it. Dang it. The update, they changed it. Dang it. That sucks. Well, this is like no use. Oh well. It was good while we had him. It's good while we had it. Oh shoot. Do a move. Oh, it's got up here. Hello. Hello. I'm gonna kill some of these zombies off. Ooh, that's the kill. I'll take that. I'll take that all day. Woo! Get out. Oh shoot. No, I have to. Yeah. I hate the lava on this map. The only thing that sucks, none of the other maps have lava. But this one does. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, wait, what's this? Ooh, dope planks. I'll take that. It's not like I need it, but it'll do for now. Little robot. Oh, I'll take that because I need money. Well, I don't need money, but it's probably the highest I'll ever get in money. Never pack punch the gun up there. I could go get the MP5 and pack punch that. I'm at 10,000 officially. So I'm gonna have to squinch this video down to 10 minutes. So yeah, because I had to trim off some of the last video. So sorry if it's a little short. But I had to do that. It's a beautiful Juggernog. And then, should I get this? No. Galil's still really good. I'm not even using this yet. Oh, hello. Okay. Oh, shoot. This is almost out of ammo, so I might need to use this. I like this. I like the Olympia pack punch. It's really cool. Just explodes them. But I don't know. It's already around 16. So. Okay, so yeah, leave a like down below if you like this video. If you like our videos of me kicking it in Raider Nation. I'll have Dylan here too. Like all of our vids, then subscribe. But if you don't want to subscribe, a like would be greatly appreciated. Like, it'd be really good. Either one's fine with me. I say they're exactly the same. It's just subscribe is you're part of the family now. What? No. Holy balls. The lava. With the lava. Oh my. No. No. To go get all those perks again. Okay, I'm gonna go get Quick Revive first. Come on. Revive me. Thank you. Come on. Might as well. I'm in here. Just get this. No, guys, this might be the end. No, it's never the end of me. Well, guys, I'm going to have to shorten this down to 2 parts, but I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and like. Bye. Peace.